Breaking: Iran-Saudi first call since strikes. What it means. Why do 100% of experts say diplomacy matters after a regional spike in violence? Because even a single call can stop miscalculation. Today, Saudi and Iranian FMs proved that. Saudi FM Prince Faisal bin Farhan received a call from Iran's Abbas Araghchi. Riyadh announced it in an official post. It is the first official contact since Tehran's retaliatory strikes on Gulf states. According to Riyadh, they reviewed developments and discussed ways to reduce tensions and restore security. The call follows weeks of missile and drone attacks, a contested US-Iran ceasefire, and disruption to Gulf trade and energy routes. Trust is low, and risks remain. It won't end the crisis overnight, but reopening lines of communication matters. Watch this space. All sides are signaling costs are rising. Every call helps reduce miscalculation.